In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make 2,000 US dollars, possibly even much more, doing simple tasks. Best of all, you don't need any investment. You don't even need experience or any qualification. Anyone from any part of the world can do what I'm about to show you and make a lot of money every single month. If you're interested in that, ensure to stick with me until the end of this video, as I'll be taking you through 7 different platforms where you can do simple tasks and make money. Best of all, you can do this at your own time, at your own pace, because it is so flexible. It is so easy. Anyone can do it. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. The opportunity that I'll be telling you about is user testing. It is simply testing different applications, different websites, and other products that developers are creating before they are released to the market. And this is an important side hustle or job, and that's why they pay people all around the world to test, because not only do they want to know they function, they want to know that these apps and websites work well in all different parts of the world. So now I'm going to show you guys different platforms where you can find this type of opportunity and also show you what's really possible with those different platforms. Starting at number 7 is my absolute favorite platform, where you can test out different softwares, websites, different applications, and you can also do online service with this platform. But the best thing is they tend to pay highly. The platform is called User Interviews. It is this platform that I'm showing you here on my screen. As you can see, they say you share your opinions, get paid. It's that easy. And in case you're doubting it, I do have a payment proof video that I'll leave for you in my description box down below, so you can get to see what's really possible with this platform. Once you are in the User Interviews platform, you want to select participants here, this tab over here, and browse online studies. I'm just going to do this to show you guys how much studies pay in this platform. And as you can see here, they have an unmoderated task that will last for about 15 minutes and they pay 15 US dollars, which is very rare with normal online service. You know, if you are to spend 15 minutes, you'll be paid a cent, you'll be paid 60 cents even, or even $2. But this platform tends to pay highly. As I scroll down, you will see many more different studies. Here's a study that will pay 275 US dollars for a 1 hour 50 minutes study. This platform, as you can see, pays highly for different kinds of studies, and if you qualify for more studies, you can possibly make 2,000 US dollars, even much more, with this one platform every single month. Signing up is truly easy. You simply come to the platform and select sign up over here. Take it from there. They will let you know everything that you need to know about the platform. Now, when it comes to getting paid, there are different options, and you'll get to know about the options once you have been qualified for a study. But so far, I've been paid in this platform via PayPal as well as Amazon gift cards. So yeah, let's look at website number 6, and it's called TesterWork. It is the website that I'm looking at here on my screen. As you can see, they say earn money testing apps. Join our community of 70,000 plus testers around the globe and earn money testing websites and apps in your free time. By signing up to this platform, you'll be testing for big organizations all around the world, such as Google, Facebook, Evernote, Instagram, Microsoft, and all of these that you can see here on my screen. You will select the Become a Tester tab over here and start signing up. Take it from there. Now, when it comes to getting paid, they have 2 options. You can get paid via PayPal or to your Upwork account. The third one is called TryMater, also available worldwide. They have moderated tasks and unmoderated tasks as well. It is also a simple platform to use. To get started in finding opportunities here, you'll come to get paid to test here, this tab over here. Select it, fill in this simple form, and also include your PayPal email address, because they pay via PayPal over here. Another thing I love about TryMater UI is there's no limit to how many tests you can do. As much as you qualify, that's how much you can do. And speaking of qualifying for different tests, some of these platforms may require you to do different tests. So these tests are simply practice tests that will help you understand the platform and know how to test once you get real jobs that will pay you money. It's important that you pay attention so you can increase your chances of qualifying for more and more tests. Do not rush into answering different questions or, passing other questions. Make sure that you take your time, especially when you're doing different tests, so that you get more opportunities with the platforms. Now let's look at website number 4. It's called TestBeds. It's the platform on my screen. As you'll see here, they say earn money in your spare time. Become part of our crowd and get the chance to test a wide variety of software even before they are released. And this is another awesome platform that has got an easy looking user interface. It'll pay you via PayPal as well. So do check it out using the links in my description box down below. We're gonna go into one of the biggest testing platforms that I've ever known. And while researching for this video, I came across a lot of videos from people who are making good money just using this one platform that I'm going to show you. But before I do, let me take this opportunity and thank you for watching this video this far. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider joining our family. We are on the road to 200,000 subscribers and I would love to have you on board. Thank you in advance for subscribing and supporting this channel. All right, guys, so the big platform that I'm talking about is called user testing. Not different from all the other platforms that I've already mentioned, except for the fact that because they are bigger, they are trusted by many more companies and they have much more opportunities, but also they are competitive because they've got many different testers worldwide. They are this platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. As I scroll down, you'll also see that they've acquired some of the best testing platforms as well, such as User, Zoom, Enjoy HQ. So now these platforms are a part of user testing. But this is another platform that's going to pay you via PayPal and they pay reasonable rates as well. To get started here, you'll come to the website and select Get Paid to Test over here and start the sign up process. It starts with you filling in your email address, agree to their terms of use and privacy policy, and here they also show you how it works. You submit your email and take a practice test. You then answer screening questions so they can match you with studies that matches your profile, your devices as well, because another aspect of how much you can make with these different platforms is how many devices you can use or you have that are required for different tests. You will then test and make money. The next platform is called Loop 11, and I'm loving this platform because not only will it pay you for testing, they also pay you to write, guys. They have those opportunities where they are looking for writers. Loop 11 is this platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. They offer different kind of testing styles such as moderated and unmoderated tasks. Unmoderated is where you simply test on your own, you record your screen and you send the final results. Moderated tasks are where you are monitored, you are maybe working with a company that is hiring you to test. Loop 11 also pays via PayPal after every user test cycle, so do check it out as well. The last one for this list is another absolute favorite of mine where I have been paid also before, and when I've been checking for this opportunity online, I saw that a lot of people are getting good results with this platform. It's called Userfill. It is this platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. They have an easy sign up process, and to get started you can simply select Get Paid to Test over here. As you can see here, they say become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. Most of their tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. So this is a platform to check out in 2023. By scrolling down further, you'll get the Become a Tester tab over here, so simply select this to find the form and of course take it from there. It's available worldwide, or at least in many different parts of the world. So yeah guys, these are the opportunities where you can make 2,000 US dollars and even much more, testing different websites, different applications, different software, and maybe even doing unmoderated tasks such as market research or online surveys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a great time.